Hey everyone! Today, I'll show you how to change aspect ratio for photos on your iPhone 16. First, open the Photos app, scroll through your albums, or use the search bar to find the picture you want to edit. Next, tap the Edit button in the bottom right corner. Now, tap on the crop icon in the bottom right corner. Then, tap on the Resize tool, locate the first icon in the top right corner of the screen. Now, at the bottom, you have the two option to select the aspect ratio. First, 9:16 option in Portrait section aspect ratio size. 9:16 size is used for stories on social media. Second, 16:9 option in Landscape section aspect ratio size. 16:9 size is used for YouTube videos and widescreen images. Third, 1 option in Square section aspect ratio size. 1 size is used for Instagram posts, fitting perfectly in grids and feeds. Fourth, 3 option in Landscape section aspect ratio size. 3 size is used for classic photo size, great for regular pictures. Once everything looks good, tap Done at the top right corner. Your picture is now saved with the new orientation. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more helpful tips.